Hello and welcome back. Let's continue with the lesson Madam Rides the Bus by Valli Kannan. So let's have a look at the key points of the story. The story is about an 8-year-old girl named Valli Ammai. She was very curious to know about things. Her favorite pastime was to stand at the doorway of her house at the entrance of her house and see what was happening in the street outside. She had no friends or playmates of her age in her street to play with. Watching the street gave her tremendous joy and new experiences. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that travelled between her village and the nearest town. It was a source of unending joy for her. She would watch the bus that passed every hour from her village to the nearest town. The sight of the bus, filled each time with a new set of passengers, was a source of unending joy for Valli. Day after day, she watched the bus and gradually a tiny wish crept or crawled into her head and grew there. She developed a desire, a wish, to ride the bus even if just for once. This became her deepest and overwhelming desire. Valli would stare wistfully at the people who got on and off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Their faces would kindle in her longings, dreams and hopes. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights of the town to her, Valli would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, "Proud, proud!" Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they often used it as a slang, an expression of disapproval. Over many months, Valli gathered information and details about the bus journey by listening carefully to the conversations between her neighbors and regular bus users. She also asked a few discreet questions here and there. She came to know that the town was just 6 miles from her village and the fare was 30 paise one way. To Valli, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed a fortune, a lot of money. The trip to the town took around 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed on the seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same bus. Valli finally planned her visit to the town. She saved 60 paise for the fare. Finally, she took the 1 o'clock bus to the town. The conductor was a jolly sort of a person. He amused Valli with light-hearted remarks. He jokingly called her Madam. Valli was very happy to have got into the bus. It was a new bus painted with gleaming colors. She bought a ticket for herself. She then saw outside through the window. She could see the canal, the palm trees, grassland, distant mountains, and the blue sky. She met some passengers in the bus. She had light-hearted conversations with some of the passengers. She was a center of attraction for them. She got annoyed when an elderly man called her a child, and she disliked the elderly woman for her shabby look and didn't prefer to talk to her. On the way to the town, Valli saw a frightened cow running right in front of the bus. She clapped gleefully, happily, as the cow ran faster. The cow was frightened and it ran faster as the driver honked the horn. Valli found it very funny and she laughed and laughed. Valli enjoyed every sight with excitement. Valli did not get off the bus at the town for the fear of being lost. She did not want to go to the stall and have a drink because she had no money. She also refused the offer of a cold drink by the conductor. It tells you that she is a self-respecting girl and can overcome temptation. She made her return journey by the same bus. On the return journey, she saw the same cow lying dead by the roadside. This unpleasant sight made her very sad. Valli was a sensitive girl. The memory of the dead cow haunted her and she did not look out through the window anymore. The bus reached the village at 3:40. She got down the bus and reached her home. Her mother did not come to know about her journey.